Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You will be able to see the 4 anti-parasites on your engine, which will let you access the spark plugs. We suggest being very careful not to get the coils mixed up with each other. Take the ends of the anti-parasite and pull on it to remove it. Be careful, you must never pull on the wire. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a hover bit to properly clean around the spark plugs. Insert a 16mm spark plug socket with a big extender into the holes and loosen the spark plug with a socket wrench. If the spark plug wrench doesn't have a click system to hold the spark plug and pull it out, you can use the coil. Insert it onto the plug and using the coil for the final turns, release the plug. You should then be able to take it out easily.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug. Put the new plug in place. There are several techniques for tightening the spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. Put the anti-parasite back on, pushing it as far as possible. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.